Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best graphic cards for Photoshop. Number 1. MSI Gaming. Experience the next level of cooling performance and aesthetic appeal with this advanced graphics card solution. Designed to optimize airflow and heat dissipation, it utilizes a sophisticated thermal architecture that directs air precisely where it's needed, ensuring superior cooling efficiency even during intensive tasks. The airflow control technology enhances static pressure and guides air across the critical components, keeping the temperature under control without compromising performance. Equipped with the innovative TORX Fan 2.0, this system combines traditional fan blades and dispersion blades for ultra-silent operation and efficient heat removal. You'll notice the quietness, even under heavy load. Personalize your setup with LED control, offering customizable lighting effects that match your unique style and preferences. For seamless integration with your lifestyle, a dedicated mobile app is included, enabling real-time monitoring and adjustments at your fingertips. Whether you're pushing the limits in gaming or rendering high-resolution visuals, this comprehensive cooling solution delivers uncompromising performance with whisper-quiet operation and stylish customization. Designed with user-friendly features and next-gen technology, it's the ultimate choice for those seeking reliability, performance, and a touch of personalized flair. Number 2. GIGABYTE Graphics. Unleash superior graphics performance with a cutting-edge solution that combines advanced cooling technology and sleek design. Powered by a high-performance GPU with 4 GB of ultra-fast GDDR6 memory, this graphics card ensures seamless gameplay, smooth multitasking, and stunning visuals. The integrated memory architecture enhances data bandwidth and optimizes performance, making it ideal for gamers and content creators alike. Equipped with an innovative WindForce 2X cooling system, this card utilizes dual fans with alternate spinning technology to maximize airflow and minimize turbulence. The result is consistent cooling, reduced noise, and improved system stability, even under demanding loads. Intuitive control is at your fingertips with the Aorus engine, offering easy customization of performance settings, fan speeds, and RGB lighting to suit your preferences. Multiple display outputs, including HDMI and DisplayPort, allow for versatile connectivity with monitors and other devices, enabling an immersive multi-display setup for enhanced productivity and gaming experiences. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or crafting high-definition content, this graphics card delivers exceptional performance, cooling efficiency, and customization options to elevate your computing experience to the next level. Number 3. SRhonyra Support. Harness the power of next-generation graphics with a state-of-the-art GPU built on the Turing architecture. Featuring the advanced TU116-400 chip manufactured on a 12nm process, this GPU brings enhanced shader capabilities, adaptive shading, and an efficient unified cache design. Its optimized structure delivers a 9% increase in CUDA cores compared to previous generations, ensuring superior performance for demanding applications. With 6 GB of high-speed GDDR6 memory connected via a 192-bit interface, this graphics card easily handles gaming at 1080p and supports a wide range of tasks from immersive gameplay to professional content creation. Designed for flexibility, it supports a quad-monitor setup with 1 HDMI 2.0 and 3 DisplayPort 1.4 outputs, perfect for expanding your workspace or elevating productivity in video editing, 3D modeling, or photo editing. The dual-slot design is complemented by 2 semi-automatic intelligent fans that deliver quiet, efficient cooling, even under heavy load, making the card barely audible during operation. Drawing just 150W of power through a 6-pin PCIe connector, this card is a smart choice for systems with a 400W power supply or higher, delivering top-tier performance without compromise. Number 4. AMD GDDR5. Elevate your visual experience with a high-performance graphics solution engineered to meet the demands of modern gaming and content creation. This advanced card supports a full range of graphics APIs, including OpenCL 2.0, OpenGL 4.5, and Vulkan, providing maximum compatibility with the latest games, creative applications, and compute workloads. Whether you're diving into graphically intense environments or rendering complex scenes, this card ensures smooth performance and rich visuals. With support for up to 3 monitors, it empowers multitasking with ease, ideal for gamers who want immersive setups or professionals who need extra screen real estate for editing, design, and productivity tasks. Its architecture is designed to deliver high-quality graphics output, precise rendering, and robust acceleration for all your computing needs. Whether you're working with 3D modeling software, editing high-resolution video, or playing the latest AAA titles, this graphics card delivers the performance and versatility you need. Combined with efficient thermal management and quiet operation, it seamlessly integrates into your system while ensuring optimal cooling and minimal noise. Unlock your system's potential and experience computing like never before with this powerful and adaptable graphics solution. Number 5. SHOWKINGS Express. Unlock exceptional gaming and multimedia performance with a powerful graphics solution engineered for smooth, high-quality experiences. Built on a 14nm process, this GPU is equipped with 2048 stream processors and 8 GB of high-speed GDDR5 memory running at 1750 MHz, delivering robust performance for mainstream gaming and everyday computing tasks. With support for up to 3 monitors via DisplayPort, HDMI, and DVI outputs, this card enables a highly immersive, multi-display setup, perfect for gaming, design, and multitasking. Capable of supporting resolutions up to 8K, it ensures ultra-high-definition visuals and crisp detail for an enhanced viewing experience. Designed for optimal thermal performance, it features composite heat pipes in direct contact with the GPU core and dual cooling fans that provide ample airflow, keeping temperatures low and noise levels minimal for quieter gameplay. The premium quality components and sturdy PCB design offer durability and stability, ensuring reliable operation under demanding conditions. Whether you're engaged in high-definition gaming, professional design, video editing, or handling everyday office tasks, this versatile graphics solution delivers outstanding performance, effortless multitasking, and a smooth, high-definition experience across a variety of applications. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.